Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 279. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to open a browser. Then you just need to go to status.roblox.com and look if the Roblox servers is not down. If it's down, you just need to wait. If it's not down, we can proceed with other steps. Then you just need to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting decent internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe restart your computer, limit some devices, and restart your router. And then we can proceed with other steps. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right-click on it, run as admin. And then here, you need to put few commands. First one is IP config /flash DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset, and after that close it and restart your computer. Then what you need to do here, you need to look for settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and reset your network here. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then what you need to do here is to go on control panel, then go to network and sharing center. Then select change adapter settings, then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then or just double click on it or right click on it, and it should be properties thing here. Then go to internet protocol v4, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternates you just need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. If this did not work, then what I suggest to do here is to look for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location, and then you should see Roblox player beta.exe file. So what you need to do here is to copy the path. Then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. And then on Windows Defender Firewall, you need to press allow an app or feature. Then press change settings, allow another app, browse, and then just paste the path and add you can add all the files here and press add. If you're getting this, don't worry, this means Roblox player is already added to the list. And the last thing what I suggest to do here is to just go to installed apps, and then you just need to look for Roblox and uninstall Roblox from here. And then just open up browser, log into your account, go to your some sort of experience, and here press play button, and Roblox will be re-downloaded here. You can open Roblox game client by pressing this button. Or you can just go to Microsoft Store, look for Roblox here, and download from Microsoft Store if you will. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.